Hello, in my Flowering Quatrain pattern, I'm going to put a link in the description box below so you can go have a look at it. I use a Josephine chain, and I had a question about the Josephine chain versus the Josephine knot. So the first one here, you can see that that's a regular Josephine knot. And the second one here, I used a Josephine chain. And you can see how it sits differently. It's got a slightly different shape, and it's attached on both sides, and it just looks different, and I preferred it in my pattern. So I'm going to show you how to make it. So I'll make the first one, the regular Josephine knot, which is basically just a ring made with the second half of a double stitch. So I'm going to make 10 second half of a double stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm also going to pass my shuttle through the ring before I close it from front to back. I find this makes it look a bit better. So this is the first, that's the Josephine knot. I'm going to make a bit of chain then to go to the next space so I can show you the Josephine chain. So 8 stitches on the chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we can join back here. So to make a Josephine chain instead, we're making a chain but joining back at the starting point. So instead of making a ring with just my left hand shuttle, I'm using 2 shuttles, just like for a regular chain, but using only the second half of a double stitch. So we're going to make again 10 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this. It does start to twist a bit because you only using 1/2 of the stitch. And we're going to join back in the same picot where we started. Like this. And before I pull that tight, I'm going to pull here on the core thread to pull it into a ring nicely like this, and then I complete my join. And then I carry on with the chain. That's the way it's done in the pattern, in the Flowering Quatrain bookmark pattern. Just complete a bit of chain and join here. So I hope you can see the difference here. So these are the knots, and here are the Josephine chains. And it just looks slightly different, and it's sort of firmer, you know, it doesn't move about. So see the Josephine knot just moves about a bit more, whereas the chain just stays really in place very nicely. So here it is, the difference between the Josephine knot and using a Josephine chain. See you in the next video. Bye bye.